Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to learn about the Sun, the star that gives us light and life. The Sun is the center of our solar system, and by far its largest object. It has a diameter of about 1.4 million kilometers, which is more than 100 times the size of Earth. It is also very massive, containing more than 99% of the total mass of the solar system. That means it has a tremendous gravitational force, which keeps the planets and other objects in orbit around it. The Sun is made mostly of hydrogen and helium, and it produces energy by nuclear fusion. This is a process where hydrogen atoms fuse together to form helium atoms, releasing huge amounts of heat and light. The Sun's surface temperature is about 5,500 degrees Celsius, but its core is much hotter, reaching up to 15 million degrees Celsius. The Sun is not a solid object, but a ball of plasma, which is a state of matter where the atoms are ionized, meaning they have lost or gained electrons. The Sun's plasma is constantly moving and swirling, creating powerful magnetic fields. These fields can cause spectacular phenomena, such as sunspots, solar flares, and coronal mass ejections. These are eruptions of plasma and radiation that can affect the Earth's atmosphere and magnetic field, causing auroras, geomagnetic storms, and sometimes disruptions to satellites and power grids. The Sun is also the main source of energy for life on Earth. It provides us with heat, light, and photosynthesis, which is the process where plants use sunlight to make their own food. The Sun also influences the Earth's climate and seasons, by changing its position and angle throughout the year. The Sun is an amazing star that we can observe and study from Earth, but also from space. There are many spacecrafts that have been launched to explore the Sun, such as the Solar Dynamics Observatory, the Parker Solar Probe, and the Solar Orbiter. These missions help us understand the Sun's structure, activity, and impact on the solar system and beyond. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you learned something new about the Sun. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.